Greetings, everyone. Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Smoky Mountain Edition. This thing is crystal gray. I believe that is only a color on this package. It's a Sahara top of the line plus extras. Got the power bulge hood, Smoky Mountain only rims. Painted hardtop, that's the three-piece Freedom top. Special stitching. Just special grab handles. It's just really a cool package, really a great color. This one owner has had a clear Carfax. We're going to buy you 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. It's been inspected. Tow package, heated leather, remote start, factory navigation, factory alpine audio. Man, this thing is nice. Great color combination, real head turner, beautiful shape. Wranglers are either beat up or they're babied. You can tell this one's been babied. Power bulge hood again. See it at Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.